Nice to see you again. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw cute French fries. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the container for the French fries first. And then we're going to do sort of a slanted line down like this, straight, and curve the end. And we're going to do kind of a curved line here for the corner. And then we're going to wrap it around and do kind of a concave line this way. Like that. And then we're going to draw the other side, so it kind of curves back in for the corner, and then we're going to go back up, kind of like how we started. Back up this way. Try to keep it as straight as you can. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And we'll curve it off like that. And now let's draw the top of the container and then the French fries that come out of. So we're gonna do kind of a straight line across and then curve it down, and we'll do a concave line, kind of a U-shaped line, a long U-shaped line down like this across. And then back up, and we'll straighten it out like that. And let's just give it a little bit of dimension, and we'll just do a little bit of curved line like that off that end, and one on this corner too. And that's going to be sort of show that there's an opening that the French fries come out of. Now let's draw some French fries coming out of the top. So we're just going to do a whole bunch of them. You can kind of put them wherever you want. And one here, coming down. Maybe we'll give a little bit of a curved top to them. One down like that. Maybe we'll have one coming up out of here, over here in the back. Curve over. Down. Maybe one coming up from here. I love French fries. They're so yummy. Down like that. Maybe we'll do one coming up from here. Try to curve the corners of the French fries a little bit. Down like that. Maybe one coming out of the top here. Curve it over. Down like that. Let's do one out of the top here. Connect it back down like that. You start to see all the French fries coming out now. Let's do one up here like this, like the other side. Or we'll do a slanted one coming up out of here like this. And let's do one last one like this down here. Over here. And down like that. Okay, now let's give these French fries some dimension, and we're going to do that by just doing some lines that sort of define the shape and make them feel more sort of cut, squared off rectangle chunks. How French fries are, because they get chopped up from potatoes. Like that. And you kind of just, you don't want to complete the lines because it gives you a sense of the dimension of the shape of the French fry. Like that. that. And now let's do this. Let's give the box or the container of the French fries a little shape too. So we'll just do a thin line down like this to sort of show how the container bends. Do that on both sides. That. Now let's draw the face on the French fries. So we're going to start by drawing one of the eyes, and it's just a circle like this right about here. Do one on the other side. And let's do a smaller circle inside of that circle to make the highlight. We'll do that on both sides. And then an even smaller circle for a double highlight. And let's color it in black. Let's do some eyebrows, one there, one on this eye, and let's do a smiley face right in the middle of the eyes here, like that. I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. Okay, I'm gonna make my container red, because that's the color of my favorite French fries from my favorite fast food restaurant. Do a darker red for the inside of the box, these little tiny shapes over here like that. And we'll make our fries kind of a yellow color. And let's make the highlights in the eyes kind of an aqua blue. Don't forget to sign your doodle. Wow! Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, if there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.